Tornado watch.
And be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. Dangerous Hurricane Florence continues to bring life-threatening storm surge and potentially historic rainfall with catastrophic flooding to portions of eastern North Carolina. Situation overview. Life-threatening impacts from Florence, including extreme storm surge, catastrophic and possibly historic flooding rains, and damaging winds are ongoing. The very slow motion of Florence down the Carolina coast will prolong these dangerous conditions into Saturday. Extreme storm surge impacts will continue with Tropical Storm Florence. Inundation of up to 7.
On Friday night, and Florence continues to impact the state. At least 5 deaths in 3 counties. Hundreds of rescues, 22,000 people now in shelter.
These numbers certainly could go up as we wait for the storm to pass, which will likely not happen in a day or two. The effects
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 375, effective until 7 a.m. Saturday. This watch includes the following counties in North Carolina: Greene, Harnett, Johnson, and Wayne. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather, radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
The president says he is planning to travel to some of the hardest hit areas sometime next week. He wants to visit once the storm.
Dangerous hurricane.